Mars, the red planet. For centuries it has shimmered in our night sky, a fiery beacon igniting dreams of alien landscapes and extraterrestrial life. Today, Mars is no longer just a celestial object of wonder, it is rapidly transforming into the next frontier of human exploration, a potential second home for our species. Imagine crimson sunsets over vast deserts, ancient volcanoes piercing the thin atmosphere, and the thrill of discovering whether life ever existed on this alien world. This is the allure of Mars, a planet that beckons us to unravel its mysteries and chart a new course for humanity among the stars. Mars might be called the red planet, but it's more of a rusty brown. This distinctive hue is due to the iron oxide, or rust, that coats its surface. When you look at Mars, you're essentially seeing a planet covered in a fine layer of iron dust, giving it that iconic reddish-brown appearance. This iron oxide is not just on the surface, but also in the dust that gets kicked up into the atmosphere, creating a reddish tint in the sky as well. This color comes from iron oxide. Think rust covering its surface. The iron oxide particles are incredibly fine, almost like a powder, and they get everywhere. This is why the entire planet has that uniform rusty look, from the plains to the mountains. Mars is about half the size of Earth, to be more precise. Its diameter is roughly 6,779 kilometers compared to Earth's 12,742 kilometers. This makes Mars the second smallest planet in our solar system, only larger than Mercury. Its gravity is weaker and just a little over a third of what we feel here. Specifically, Mars's gravity is about 38% of Earth's gravity. This means that if you weigh 100 kilograms on Earth, you would weigh only 38 kilograms on Mars. Don't think you could fly, though. Despite the lower gravity, the thin atmosphere wouldn't provide enough lift for wings to work effectively, so no soaring through the Martian skies like a bird. Now about the air, or lack thereof. Mars' atmosphere is incredibly thin, which means there's not much air to breathe, or to protect you from the harsh conditions of space. The Martian atmosphere is thin, about 1% the density of Earth's. This thin atmosphere is composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon. The lack of a thick atmosphere also means that Mars experiences extreme temperature variations. It's mostly carbon dioxide with a bit of nitrogen and argon. This composition makes the air on Mars unbreathable for humans, requiring any future explorers to bring their own supply of oxygen. Not exactly breathable for us humans. Any human mission to Mars would need to rely on advanced life support systems to provide a breathable atmosphere. The Martian surface is a mix of the familiar and the alien. While some features might remind you of Earth, others are completely unique to Mars. Think massive canyons like Valles Marineris, much larger than our Grand Canyon. This colossal canyon system stretches over 4,000 kilometers, making it one of the largest in the solar system. Imagine towering volcanoes like Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in our solar system. Olympus Mons stands about 22 kilometers high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. And let's not forget the polar ice caps, mostly frozen carbon dioxide, that grow and shrink with the seasons. These ice caps are a striking feature of Mars, changing dramatically with the planet's axial tilt and orbit around the Sun. Living on Mars won't be easy. The thin atmosphere provides little protection from harmful radiation from the Sun. Then there's the temperature. Average temperatures hover around minus 63 degrees Celsius, and it can get much colder. And what about water? While there's evidence of water ice below the surface, accessing it and making it drinkable is another hurdle. But these challenges are not insurmountable. We're already developing technologies to extract water from Martian soil and generate breathable air. Radiation shielding for habitats is being designed, and the race is on to create sustainable food production methods for this new world. Our journey to understand Mars is well underway. Since the 1960s, robotic explorers have been sent to orbit and land on Mars. Missions like Mariner, Viking and Pathfinder paved the way for modern marvels like the Curiosity and Perseverance rovers. These robotic pioneers have sent back stunning images, analyzed soil samples, and even detected organic molecules, hinting at the possibility of past life. Each mission reveals more about Mars's past, including evidence of ancient rivers and lakes, suggesting a warmer, wetter period in its history. This knowledge fuels our curiosity and drives us to seek answers to the biggest question: was there ever life on Mars? The journey to Mars is no longer a question of if, but when. Humanity stands on the brink of a new era of exploration, one that will take us beyond the confines of our home planet and into the vast expanse of space. Space agencies and private companies alike are actively developing plans for human missions to Mars, with the goal of establishing a permanent human presence in the coming decades. These plans involve intricate coordination, cutting-edge technology, and unprecedented levels of international collaboration. Imagine the first human footsteps on Martian soil, the construction of habitats, and the establishment of thriving communities. These are not just dreams, but tangible goals that are being meticulously planned and executed. The thrill of becoming an interplanetary species is within our grasp. Celebrations on Mars will mark the beginning of a new chapter in human history, one where we are no longer confined to Earth. These missions will involve developing new propulsion systems, creating self-sustaining habitats, and ensuring that we can live and work on Mars for extended periods. The technology being developed today will pave the way for future generations to thrive on the red planet. Overcoming the psychological and physiological challenges of long-duration spaceflight is crucial. Astronauts undergo rigorous training and simulations to prepare for the isolation, confinement, and other stresses they will face on their journey to Mars. The journey will be fraught with challenges, from technical malfunctions to the harsh environment of space. However, each obstacle presents an opportunity for innovation and problem-solving. But the rewards, expanding our knowledge of the universe, discovering new scientific phenomena, and potentially finding signs of past or present life on Mars, are immense. Pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity will lead to groundbreaking advancements in technology and engineering, benefiting not just space exploration, but life on Earth as well. Securing the future of our species through space exploration is a collective effort. It requires the collaboration of diverse groups of people from around the world, all working towards a common goal. The legacy we leave for future generations will be one of hope, innovation, and boundless possibilities. Mars is a planet of mysteries, and each discovery only deepens its allure. Did life ever exist on Mars? What can its geological history tell us about the evolution of planets? Can we unlock the secrets of its past to create a sustainable future for humanity on this alien world? These are not just scientific questions, they are fundamental questions about our place in the universe. By venturing to Mars, we're not just exploring a planet, we're embarking on a journey of self-discovery, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and challenging ourselves to become a truly spacefaring civilization. Mars stands before us, a red oasis in the vast cosmic desert, a beacon of mystery and wonder that has captivated human imagination for centuries. Its rusty, barren landscape, dotted with ancient riverbeds and towering volcanoes, tells a story of a planet that once might have been very different. Beckoning us to explore its secrets and unlock its potential, Mars challenges us to look beyond our earthly confines. The red planet invites us to dream of new possibilities, to envision a future where humans might one day walk its surface and call it home. It's a planet that challenges us to push the boundaries of human ingenuity, to develop technologies that can withstand its harsh environment, and to create sustainable habitats for future explorers. The quest to reach Mars is not just a scientific endeavor, but a testament to human resilience and creativity. To innovate and to dream big, we must collaborate across nations and disciplines, pooling our knowledge and resources. The journey to Mars is a collective human effort, a symbol of what we can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. The journey will be long and arduous, filled with challenges and uncertainties. Yet it is this very journey that will define our generation, pushing us to new heights of exploration and discovery. But the rewards, expanding our horizons, discovering new life perhaps, and gaining a deeper understanding of our place in the universe, are immeasurable. Each step we take on Mars brings us closer to answering fundamental questions about life and existence, and ensuring the survival of our species. By learning to live on another planet, we safeguard our future against potential catastrophes on Earth. Mars represents a new frontier, a place where humanity can start anew, make it the greatest adventure in human history. The triumphs and trials of this mission will be remembered for generations, inspiring countless others to reach for the stars. As we stand on the cusp of this extraordinary endeavor, we are reminded of the boundless potential of human spirit and curiosity. The drive to explore, to seek out new frontiers, is an intrinsic part of who we are. One thing is certain: Mars will forever change our perspective on what it means to be human. It will challenge our notions of home, of survival, and of our place in the universe, and our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. As we embark on this journey, we carry with us the hopes and dreams of all humanity, venturing into the unknown to uncover the secrets of the Red Planet.